right, now let's take a look at what's happening near you. A lot of people wanting to go green, and if your closet's stacked full of electronic devices that you just can't throw away, well, there's an opportunity for you to do so that is environmentally friendly. Joining us today to fill us in on the electronic recycling, computer hardware sales team member Dan Murray. Thank you so much for joining us today, Dan.
Thank you for having me.
All right, so recycling electronic devices. First of all, will you explain the importance of why you should recycle these old computers and electronic devices that we have in our homes?
The primary reason that I would give anybody is that there are a lot of heavy metals inside a lot of these components, especially old CRT monitors. On average, 4 pounds of lead, 2 pounds of mercury. If that's going right back into the ground, into landfills, that heavy metal is going right back into our water supply, and that's not something that any of us would find.
No, not a good option there. So you guys are working here, you're teaming up with WasteCap Nebraska. Explain WasteCap, what is that?
WasteCap ensures that the products are being recycled properly. So for example, when we take old monitors with the lead and the mercury inside of them, they ensure that it goes to a proper facility where it is actually disposed of properly and not end up being shipped to a third world country like China or Africa, where they are not disposed of properly, and they use very, very hazardous methods of disposing of that, and it ends up in the landfills and in the water supplies. Exactly.
Yeah. So can we take our devices to your place then? How does that work? We have to pay for it?
Absolutely. We'll take any electronic device. It is a flat rate of 45 cents a pound, and that 45 cents covers breaking it down, sorting it, and then having somebody haul it off to the proper disposal facility.
It's probably really worth the cost, worth it for the environment.
Absolutely.
Explain, we were talking a little bit about new products that are more geared to environmentally friendly. If you are shopping for a new computer, for instance, right? Talk about that.
Apple has actually come out with the new series of MacBooks, and one of the things that they're very proud of, and I'm very excited about as well, is that they are very recyclable, and they're very ecologically friendly. There's new batteries, new backlight systems in them. They're essentially engineered to be very ecologically friendly. They can be almost completely recycled, and they also use less energy than previous models.
And they look cool too. You were talking about how
they look absolutely wonderful. They're completely made out of aluminum on the outside.
How cool is that? Well, if you want to take a look at that, or if you have any of that stuff in your house and you want to recycle, just stop by there. And if you want more contact information, go to our website, nebraska.tv. Dan, thank you so much for coming in. We appreciate it. And for more on what's happening near you, you can go to our website as well. Just click on Community Calendar or What's Happening.